You ever dread Monday mornings as the entire week's chaos begins to creep up on you? Let me share with you a simple mind map that I use every Monday morning to set the tone and the priorities for the rest of the week. Let's hit it. It starts with this week. So you can have a date range or just this week as the central topic. And then you will expand out all the major focus areas. So for example, that is work for me, learning, social, and other as a catch-all. And then I circle them to differentiate the subtopics or focus areas from the main topic of this week. Then we will expand out all the different sub-focus areas. Under work, since I'm a content creator, it's going to be video, community, that's the Mind Map Nation community, newsletter, and coaching. These are essentially the projects for each focus area. And then for each project, I can break out specific goals. So for example, for me, it's to film 4 videos, publish 2 videos. For community, I have a monthly mind mapping Q&A session this Friday. Newsletter, I'll probably just put the topic of what I'm going to be writing about, which is Ichigai, or finding one's purpose, especially when it comes to work article. And then coaching, this could be the names of my clients, for example. And then I go through the process of expanding out the projects or subtasks of the other major focus areas. Like for learning, it's listening to 2 podcasts, brush up on agile project management methodology for one of my clients. So we have an arrow there. And then for social, a birthday and a catch up. Under other, maybe I'm training for a half marathon as well as exploring SF, because that is definitely something very fun. For half marathon, maybe it's actually to research races and then sign up for one. Exploring SF, it's probably looking up new cafes. That's basically my office these days. After I have mapped out all of this, I want to take a different color pen and think about the sequence or the priorities that goes into these focus areas. So for example, work to me is going to be the highest priority. So I put number 1, and then social, because my friends and community matter a lot to me. And then learning is going to be number 3, and then finally other, right? In addition, I can also prioritize the projects within a focus area. For me, that's going to be coaching comes first, video is second, newsletter third, and because I already have this event scheduled for Friday, so number 4, community. If I do this for all the major areas, then I have a really good idea of what I should focus on first. If I have conflicting priorities, I can refer back to this map and go, okay, I should probably focus on work first before I do social things and catch up with my friends before I listen to this podcast. But at the same time, I also know that if I need to brush up on my agile methodology before going into one of my client meetings, then I should probably put that before my social things. So drawing out the relationships in this map is equally important, so you will be aware of any contingencies. So I usually do this in the beginning of the week so that I have the bird's eye view of what is it that I'm trying to achieve in the next 5 to 7 days. If you're interested in my next step, definitely check out the to-do mind map, which I make in the morning every day to break out all the tasks or to-do items on a daily basis. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in more mind mapping content, be sure to sign up for my newsletter Epiphany, or better yet, check out Mind Map Nation and take our 7-day Mind Map Mastery course. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.